How to create contact poster on iPhone iOS 17. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your phone app. Here we go. Now head towards any of the contact. After you open it, over here you're gonna find the option of contact photo and poster. Tap on that option. With that you will find different options. You can choose your poster from camera, photos, memojis or monogram. Let's try photos. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here you can choose any of the picture to set as your contact poster. After you choose the picture, you can just crop it. Also by swiping on right, you can select different effects. After you are done, you can tap on the option of done. And here you can see that my contact poster is ready. Now let's try Memoji. You will get tons of Memoji options. By tapping on this plus icon, you can just customize your own Memoji. You can select skin tone, likewise hairstyle and hair color. From here, you can choose different facial expressions. Let me choose this one. After you choose it, tap on next. Now you can choose the background color. After you are done, you can tap on the option of done given at the top right corner. And here you can see that contact poster using Memoji is ready. Likewise, if you are not okay with photos and memojis option, you can choose the monogram. Tapping on this icon, you can select the background color. Likewise, by tapping on this text icon, you can select the monogram. After you select it, you can tap on the option of done. And here my contact poster is ready using monogram. So this is how you can create contact poster on iPhone iOS 17. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.